How to verify your phone number in FxPro. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to verify your phone number in FxPro, then first of all launch open the FxPro app on your device, and once you're inside the home page after logging in, go ahead and tap on your profile name at the top left corner. Now, from your profile section, tap on Profile Settings and Documents. Now click on Contact Details from the top and click the Verify button right next to phone number. Now you'll receive a 6-digit code sent to your email inbox. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox and copy the 6-digit code inside it. Copy the code once you find it. Get back to FxPro app and paste it in. Now click Confirm. Now, go ahead and enter your mobile number once again. You'll then receive a 6-digit verification code sent to you via SMS. Type it down as soon as you receive it. And all set. Your contact information has been updated and you've successfully verified your phone number in FxPro. Now that's how you can easily verify your phone number in FxPro. Now you're one step closer to trading smoothly and securely. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.